if, anybody else can pretty much duplicate this model?
So the standard desktop and email model can be duplicated. What Groupon has done a great job of doing is just innovating with the structure of the deals, not just the technology, but the structure of the deals. I got an offer for, I can go to either the pro baseball game or the pro football game in my area, plus a meal package. What will be a true defensible moat, if you will, is the Groupon Now platform, which they said, having been live in Chicago for a couple of weeks, allows them to deal with over 1,000 local merchants at one time. Normally they run about 20 promotions per day in the Chicago area. That's about 3% of their overall nationwide North America deals. So if you take 1,000 concurrently on the Groupon Now platform in Chicago, you extrapolate that nationwide as they're gradually rolling out New York and San Francisco this week and continue the North America rollout. They could be doing concurrent deals with over 15,000 merchants at one time. So as that becomes a technology moat or some defensible intellectual property, that becomes sort of the secret sauce if they're able to execute against that opportunity.
Hey, AB, there's a lot of talk in the prospectus about the ability of Groupon. They say their moat is their ability to target promotions to people who want the exact promotions they're getting. But, I've been a competitive swimmer for 30 years. This morning they asked me if I wanted to take swim lessons in a city 20 miles from my house. They don't seem that targeted to me. Do you see that as a defensible moat for Groupon as it exists, or just something a moat that they need to dig?
The targeting is far from perfect, Corey. If you look at the targeting of ads on Facebook 2 or 3 years ago versus the targeting now, it's remarkable, the change and the improvement that you've seen over time. I noticed that Groupon hired MicroStrategy earlier this year to help them with some of their data mining and data analysis. I think they're beginning to get very serious about analytics and about honing the algorithm for targeting those. I get a lot fewer spa pedicure Groupon offers today than I did a year ago, so that's a good thing.
Well, your nails look great. I think that's an